You need to download the mesh combine wizard C grabbing into the UT textures in this map, like to a lower resolution and 500. What I do, I choosing some object that actually have many of its own kind. Let's say like 08 dark, and I see like many objects. So I with shift I click like on all of them. Then what I do, I just grabbing a one to everyone. So I basically have the same file, same mesh on into the map like many times. So just grabbing it, clicking. Okay, and it's done. How I know it's done? It become inactive color, and here's like, boom, I see here. All the books here as one mesh, they are here. So I can just delete them. And that's it. GG.